To sign up for Taptap Send, start by going to the Taptap Send website or downloading the Taptap Send mobile app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have accessed the website or opened the app, click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will be asked to provide some basic information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to use a valid email address and phone number, as you will need to verify them later in the sign-up process. Next, you will be prompted to create a password for your Taptap Send account. Choose a strong and unique password that includes a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. This will help to keep your account secure and protect your personal and financial information. After creating your password, you will be asked to provide some additional information, including your country of residence and the currency you want to use for transactions. This information will help Taptap Send to customize your account and provide you with the best possible service. Once you have completed the registration form, click on the Submit button to submit your application. You will then receive a verification email or SMS to confirm your email address or phone number. Click on the verification link or enter the verification code to activate your account. After verifying your account, you will be able to log in to your Taptap Send account and start using the service to send and receive money. You can add recipients, view transaction history, and track the status of your transfers. You can also take advantage of other features, such as low fees, fast transfer times, and competitive exchange rates. To get the most out of Taptap Send, make sure to explore the website or app and familiarize yourself with the different features and options. You can also contact customer support if you have any questions or need help with a transaction. By following these steps and best practices, you can sign up for Taptap Send and start sending and receiving money with ease and confidence.